further.
A little further?
Yeah. There, this is good. So you got about 3 meters. This is good.
Okay, my bad.
Yep. His brake, passenger side brake light. Let's keep it on. This is the perfect speed. Straight wheels out. Until the logo's straight up. There, now they're straight.
Wait, I'm looking at that one.
Just so the nose of your vehicle is tucked in, it's not hanging out in the laneway. That's good. Yep. Perfect. That's good. Yeah, it's just a matter of like getting the feel for when your wheels are straight.
Yeah. Yeah,
And-
that's what I need to do.
So turn your wheels all the way to the right. And then as you're backing up, just you kind of have to feel it, like you kind of like spidey senses kind of kick in, right?
Yeah.
So go ahead and straighten the wheels out. It's a quarter and 1 right there.
That right
so
there?
yeah,
It
And
feels so much more when you're turning them.
it does. It feels a little bit
That's why.
weird. Yeah.
Okay.
Turn them all the way to the left and count how many times the wheel goes around. That's 1 and a
1
quarter
and a half. Oh.
or a half. Yeah.
Yeah, I guess half.
And then there's half and 1.
Oh, that's 1, yeah.
Yeah, so it's like 1
Yeah.
and a quarter or a half. So it's a quarter or half and 1 back to the straight ahead position.
Okay, yeah.
You can try it again.
Sure.
Go ahead.
Back in.
To the right.
Oh, to the right.
Yeah,
Oh,
just to get the feel for that. Yeah. Okay. Let's make a right turn. And we'll turn left and go down the lane here a bit. Sure. Yeah, let's wait. She just started. Okay. There we go.
So I was like,
Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. And they're unpredictable. It's always best to just try to make eye contact
Yeah.
or some kind of It's when they're timid and they start going and they stop and then they go and then they stop again.
I
It's
don't do that. I
what
just
do we do? Yeah.